That's really good. But why chemically does the combination of blue cheese and chocolate work so well? Can science help explain this, and perhaps come up with some new great flavour combinations? Next stop, Geneva. We're off to see one of the world's most accomplished flavourists, and we're going to talk to them about this very subject. Firmenich in Geneva, Switzerland, is one of the world's biggest manufacturers of flavour and perfumes. I visit whenever I can to swap ideas and discuss kitchen chemistry. Scientists here have been developing amazing new technology to push forward the science of flavour, so we can start to answer questions that have puzzled scientists and chefs for centuries, like why some food combinations taste so bad, and others, like chocolate and blue cheese, so good. To analyse the flavour of blue cheese, the scientists use a needle coated in super-sensitive absorbent powder. Volatile molecules containing the flavour fly off of the cheese and stick to the powder. The needle is put into a mass spectrometry machine, which processes the flavour molecules and produces an analysis of them in graph form. The first peak here is butyric acid, which helps give cheese its buttery note. The second peak here is an ester, which gives cheese a fruity note. There are hundreds of flavour molecules, not all visible, in each foodstuff. This is a map of many of blue cheese's flavour molecules, showing the relative intensity of each one as it's released. This is the laboratory of Francois Benzi, chemist and flavourist. It's his job to produce new synthetic flavours. So here, from one of the top flavourists in the world, is the reason why blue cheese and chocolate work so well together.
In fact, the reason is due to the similarity of many of these molecules, which we find on one hand in the blue cheese and on the other hand in the cocoa. Look at this.
Francois showed me a breakdown of the molecular profiles of chocolate and blue cheese. Marked in yellow, all of the molecules they share, including a host of ketones composed of carbon and oxygen.
Ketones, in fact, are chains of carbons with oxygen linked with a double bond. And they give generally very fruity or blue cheese character. Many ketones are also found in fruit flavors, in raspberry, strawberry, but that's very flavors.
In cheeses and fruits, yeah, but in chocolate, if you look here, there's over 60%
yes.
of the ketones in blue cheese are also in cocoa.
Yes.
You wouldn't have expected that much, would you?
No. There are quite a few molecules in each group which are exactly the same.
I think also for me, what I like so much about this is there is evidence. It's on paper. You know, it's no longer an arbitrary thing that it comes down to somebody's palate. Okay, some people may like it more than others, but it throws light on a whole new world of possibilities, isn't it?
Certainly. When you see this, suddenly it's a brand new taste world which is getting open, and you wonder. I think maybe a person like you is just starting to put the finger in this new kind of possibilities.
So here you have it, chocolate and blue cheese, and there is a chemical molecular reason why they taste so good together.